Ever wondered how some people are making fortunes just by spending time on their laptops? Let's unravel this enigma and introduce you to the concept of making money online. The internet, this vast and borderless universe of information, has opened up innumerable opportunities for everyone to earn. No matter your skill set, there's a place for you in the digital economy. Imagine the flexibility it offers. Your office can be a beach in Bali, a cafe in Paris, or just your cozy bedroom. You're not bound by the conventional 9 to 5. You decide when to work and for how long. The scalability of online income sources is another game changer. You can start small and grow big. The more effort you put in, the higher the returns. And the best part, it's global. You can connect with clients or customers from around the world, breaking the geographical barriers of traditional business models. Indeed, the World Wide Web is a goldmine waiting for you to dig in. So how does one navigate this digital landscape and start earning online? Well, the journey begins by identifying a niche or skill that you're passionate about. This could be anything from digital marketing to baking. Once you've found your niche, it's time to create a platform or join an existing one. This could be a website, a blog, or a social media account. The key is to choose a platform that aligns with your chosen niche and where your target audience spends their time. Next, you'll need to build a strong online presence. This involves consistently sharing valuable content, engaging with your audience, and building your reputation as an expert in your field. Finally, it's time to monetize. This could involve selling products or services, offering online courses, engaging in affiliate marketing, or even monetizing your content through ads. Remember, the world of online wealth requires persistence and creativity. In essence, it's about leveraging your skills, connecting with the right audience, and delivering valuable content or services. Now that you understand the process, what are the key points to remember about making money online? Well, first off, finding a profitable niche is like choosing the right map to the treasure. It's crucial to your success. Once you've found your niche, you need to build a robust online presence. Think of it as your digital storefront, inviting and engaging to potential customers, but it doesn't end there. Delivering valuable content or services is the heart of your operation. It's what keeps customers coming back and new ones arriving. And remember, consistency is key. It's like the steady rhythm of a drum. It keeps your business moving forward and growing. The benefits of making money online are immense. You get the flexibility to work from anywhere, the scalability to grow at your own pace, and the global reach to tap into markets worldwide. With determination, creativity, and the right strategy, you too can tap into the internet's goldmine and start building your online wealth.